used to learn this song, Zitare Nyungari Kuzwe. So somebody from the last video actually requested this song. So as always, doing these things in the key of F sharp. So we start from the one, which is F sharp. Zitare Nyungari Kuzwe. So basically you're on one. Zitare Nyu on the right, on the left hand, you just stay on one on the F sharp. Then it's 1/5. Get this tension. So still on one. So Panyika, you just anticipate like from 3 on your melody. 3, 4, 5. On the so you go to 5. You come back to 1. Then you do this little move. So what I did there, 1, you come back to 4. On the O you drop down to 3, and then you make that 3 like major, like that would be B flat major. It's like the common movement from 3 to A6. So 3 major, then Zitare Nyu 5 Gari Kuzwe. Going to have a little bit of fun. So usually, I mean, just throw in some passing notes, like from 2 to 5, like from whenever you want to go to a 5, just do like a little, you know, this kind of movement, F4, and then 3 to 6. But hopefully, you're going to have fun learning this song. Otherwise, peace.